Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to game share on Steam. To start, open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, click on the Steam menu in the top left corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, click on the Family tab on the left side. Here you will see an option called Authorize Library Sharing on this computer. Check the box next to this option. Once you have enabled library sharing, you need to authorize the account that you want to share your games with. To do this, log out of your Steam account and ask your friend or family member to log in on the same computer. When they log in, go back to the Family tab in the Settings menu and check the box next to their account name under the section that says Eligible Accounts. This gives them access to your game library when they log in on their own computer. Now, log out and sign back into your own account. Your friend can now go to their own computer, log into their Steam account, and they will see your shared games in their library. They can download and play them as long as you are not playing the same game at the same time. Thanks for watching.